How to fix Do Not Disturb turning on automatically on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Do Not Disturb mode turning on automatically on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. In the Settings, scroll down until you find the Focus option. Tap on Focus, then select Do Not Disturb. In the Do Not Disturb section, scroll down again to check for any schedules under the Turn On Automatically section. If there's a schedule set, tap on it and toggle it off to prevent Do Not Disturb mode from being activated automatically. Alternatively, you can customize the schedule by selecting the days, start time, and end time for when Do Not Disturb mode should be active. For example, you can set it to turn on at 11 p.m. and turn off at 7 a.m., or configure it to activate only on weekdays. That's how you can easily manage or disable automatic Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. That's all for the video.